southeastern Greene County in east central Georgia, southwestern Tolliver County in east central Georgia, northeastern Jones County in central Georgia, until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Harmony to near E-10 to Bradley, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milledgeville, E-Tenton, Sparta, Crawfordville, White Plains, Siloam, Phoenix, Reynolds at Lake Oconee, Midway Hardwick, Liberty, Merriweather, Springfield, Vesey, Bradley, Beulah, Allenwood, Risso's Crossroads, Flat Harley Branch, Hardwick and Browns Crossing. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Central, North Central, and East Central Georgia.
Midway Hardwick, Liberty, Merriweather, Springfield, Vesey, Bradley, Beulah, Allenwood, Risso's Crossroads, Flat Harley Branch, Hardwick and Browns Crossing. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Central, North Central, and East Central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.